Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so happy to be sharing a product release video for the Autumn Impressions release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the brand new Fa-brew-lous 4x11 stamp set. Coffee date, anyone? This new caffeinated themed Slimline creates the perfect background for your coffee themed projects. In addition to the large Slimline stamp, there is the largest stamp, which is the coffee background, and that measures 8.3 inches by 3.3 inches. The coffee bean border strip stamp measures 5.1 inches by 0.3 inches. The to-go style single coffee cup measures 1.2 inches by 0.75 inches. The smaller mug measures 0.75 by 0.85, and the sentiments measure approximately 1/4 of an inch tall. Here are a few projects that I made for you. One was watercolor, the second one was using some color pencils, and then this final one just uses that stamp as a background, and I love that. And there is plenty of inspiration from the rest of the design team, so let's go ahead and take a look at all of the projects that the rest of the design team made. Check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.